Factorise the following expressions. So we've got 6p minus 9q, b 8x squared minus 12x, and c 21x squared y minus 14xy squared. Right, so if we write out 6p minus 9q, then underneath 6 is going to be 2 times 3, so sort of try to put it in its prime factors, times p, and then we've got minus 9 in its prime factors is going to be 3 times 3 times q. Now in doing that, what you do now look for anything which is common. So we've got a 3 here and a 3 here, so we can circle those. And then there's nothing else in common. We've got a 2 and a 3, that's not common, and a p and a q, that's not common. So there's only one common factor, which is 3. And what's left in the first part of the bracket is 2p. And then we've got a minus 3q. So 6p minus 9q is 3 brackets 2p minus 3q. So remember, factorising is the opposite of expanding brackets. B, we've got 8x squared minus 12x. Leave a little bit of space sometimes. Now 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. X squared is times x times x. Then we've got a minus 12 is going to be minus 2 times 2 times 3 times x. Right, what have we now got common? So we've got a 2 and a 2 which is common. And we've got another 2 which is common. This 2 is not common with this one. The 3 is not common. But we also got an x which is common. So the common factor is 2 times 2 which is 4x. So it's going to be 4x brackets. What's left in the bracket? 2 times x, so the bits that you haven't circled, minus 3. There you go, you factorised it. Part C, 21x squared y minus 14xy squared. So the same idea, split 21 into 3 times 7. X squared is times x times a y for that one. And here 14 is 2 times 7, so we're going to have minus 2 times 7 times x times y squared, which is times y times y. Right, pairing up common things. There's nothing common with the 3, but the 7s are common. There's an x common. This x is not common, there isn't another one to pair it up with, but we could pair up a y. So the common factor is going to be 7xy, bracket. Now what's left? We've got 3 times x, not paired up, minus 2 times y, not paired up. So we've got 7xy, brackets 3x minus 2y. So this has been a video to show you how to factorise basic expressions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.